Oftentimes, we tend to misuse words.
That is right. Say for instance, we don't know exactly which word to use. In the canteen or at the canteen, at the table or on the table. Which one is right?
Well, in this video, you will learn how to use prepositions, specifically prepositions of place. First of all, prepositions are used to show the position or location of one thing with another.
It also allows us to be very specific when talking about where action takes place in stories or when discussing important details for communication purposes.
To help you understand what we are going to talk about, here are pictures.
As you can see, these pictures illustrate each of the common prepositions that we are going to tackle.
What prepositions can you see? Will you name it one by one?
Exactly! These common prepositions will be our focus for today. Are you ready?
Let us begin with the preposition in. So we use in if something is in an enclosed space. So what do we mean by enclosed space? This only means that something is inside of something. Very good. So here are the examples. I watch TV in the living room. Put the notebook in the bag. And lastly, she believes that there is a genie in that bottle. So you see, something is in an enclosed space.
Next is on. On means that something is in a position that is physically touching, covering, or attached to something. Examples of these are: the clock on the wall is big enough to be seen, the vase is on the table, I can see the lizard on the ceiling.
Next, we have the preposition. The preposition at is used to show an exact, specific, or particular position or place. Just like these examples. I met her at the bus stop. Let us meet at the cinema and look at the window. Can you see that this sentences contains an exact, specific, or particular position or place?
Now let's talk about between. Between normally refers to something in the middle of two objects, things, persons, or places. Examples of these are: the number 5 is between the number 4 and 6. He stood between his mother and father. The ball rolled between the desk and the wall.
For the next preposition, we have under. By using the word under, this means that something is lower than or covered by something else. Let us look at the examples. The ball fell under the bridge. What is under the bridge? The ball. That's right. The ball is lower than the bridge. Very good. How about in the next example? Put your bags under the table. Which one is under the other? Yes, the bags are under the table. And for the last one, the cat is hiding under the couch. What is under the couch? The cat. Very good.
Next is above. Above is higher than something else, but not directly over it. Examples of these are: the bridge can be found under the river. Raise your hands above your head. Hang a mirror above the table.
The seventh preposition that we're going to discuss is in front. We use in front of when we are stating that something or someone is in a position just ahead or at the front part of someone or something else. By just looking at example number 1, is there a flower shop in front of your house? This means that the one asking the question is asking if the flower shop is just ahead of your house. Very good. Number 2, do not just stand in front of me. What does this mean? This means that I don't want you to stand in front of me in a position just ahead of me. Brilliant. Next, fall in line in the front. Yes, fall in line in the front means what? Yes, you will fall in line in a position just ahead of me, or the speaker, of course.
Lastly, we have behind. Behind is the opposite of in front of. It means at the back of something. Examples of these are: who is that person behind the mask? I hung my coat behind the door. Keep your shoes behind the cabinet.
Okay. Do you understand the different prepositions of place?
Very well then, let us see. I will be giving you a 20-point quiz. In the first part, pictures will be shown one by one. All you have to do is to identify the prepositions being illustrated. Now, let us start. Here is the first picture. What preposition does it represent? Right, under.
How about this one? What is the preposition being illustrated? That's right. Between.
Now let's move on to the third picture. What preposition is present here? At? Right you are. Next is our fourth picture. What preposition can we use here? Correct. What preposition can we use here? Correct.
This picture represents what preposition? It is in front of.
Wow! You're finally getting closer into completing this quiz. Now let us see our seventh picture. What preposition does it represent? Above? You're correct!
And for this last picture, what is it? Behind. Very good. For this second part, you'll need to complete each sentence by supplying the correct preposition of place. Let us start. The pot is blank the table. What do you think is the preposition that will complete this sentence? On. That's right. For this second part, you'll need to complete each sentence by supplying the correct preposition of place. Let us start. The pot is blank the table. What do you think is the preposition that will complete this sentence? On. That's right. The pot is blank the table. What do you think is the preposition that will complete this sentence? On. That's right.
Number 2. The helicopter is blank your house. What is the answer for this? That's right.
For number 3, I told you to park blank my car. Are you sure? Yes, the correct answer is behind.
Number 4. There is a spider blank the bathroom. What is your answer for this? You got it!
Number 5. There are 2 pockets blank this bag. The answer is in.
Next is number 6. Your eyeglasses are blank you. That is correct.
Number 7. Let us meet blank the front door. What do you think is the preposition? At. That is right.
Now let's answer number 8. Don't stay too long blank the sun. What preposition can we use here? You got it!
For number 9, Marie sat blank the 2 best friends. The preposition is between.
Next is number 10. I feel shy blank many people. What is the answer for this? Brilliant! Your answer is correct.
For the second to the last number, Annie is hiding blank the door. Yes, the answer is behind.
Now, let's answer the last question. Number 12. Manny, lean your head blank my shoulder. What preposition can we use here? Splendid! Your answer is correct.
Good job, everyone! Thank you for being with us once again.
It is always fun being with you. We hope that you'll join us again. Okay? Next lesson will be preposition of time.
So, till next time, bye!